Mike Waltz stopped and delivered extremely brief remarks, only taking to questions while walking. Asked about reports that Trump is meeting with advisors to discuss withdrawing aid to Ukraine, Waltz said only that they're meeting to discuss what's next. He ignored repeated questions about whether a total withdrawal of assistance is on the table. With regards to European and British proposals on a ceasefire, Waltz said that we welcome the Europeans taking a lead in European security. That's been an underpinning. They have to invest in the capability to do that. They've certainly shown a will. Both Starmer and Macron showed that will last week before Friday, he said. We also had the NATO Secretary General on the phone with the president before President Zelensky came. We welcome Europe stepping up for Europe, but they have to also invest in the capabilities to do so. He continued, all of that was evident was before Friday, and Zelensky could have been left with economic guarantees that benefited Ukraine. It's really confounding to us why we had such hostility coming in.